Hello everyone, my name is Praneeth. Today I am going to show you the ICP3, and the ICP3 in class is all about using jQuery, JavaScript 2 and HTML and as well as CSS. And the task that we have to do is to show the to build a simple app to select a color by typing it in the text box or picking it from a given set of colors using JavaScript and jQuery, and to create an app to retrieve details of your GitHub user like the name, ID, profile picture and link to the user's account. Now I'm showing you the GitHub user finder, and this is the basic HTML page, and this is the CSS page for styling, and this is the JavaScript file, and here I'm calling the function, and also here this is the URL to API to call the GitHub links, and this is the function which is used to call when we have to setting the HTML to elements in page using jQuery. And this is for image height. When we click on, when we type a name, then we will get the user profile, right? And that image, this is for that image, and this is for the login name, and this is for login ID, and this is for GitHub URL. And if the details are not found, then we have to call this function no such username, and this is for setting the elements in HTML page to blank when the user is not found. And I'm going to run this code. This is the web page that is going to run. I'm giving to give my name. Here you can see my details, my the user information, the login name, login ID, GitHub URL and GitHub public repos of the user, and all the details can be seen in this. And now I'm going to show you another task, pick my favorite color task, and this is the HTML page for that, and this is the CSS page, and this is the JavaScript file. And here I am giving some colors. I'm giving some colors in an array, and now I have to add the color to the recent list. So I'm giving prepend function. The prepend function is used to give the color in the first of the list, and now here this is the function that is used to add the color to my favorites, to the list of the favorites, and this is used to give whenever any item in the favorite color is clicked or hover, the color has to display on the in the bottom of the color that we have, in the bottom of the search bar. For this I am giving the click mouse over, and for this, for the adding function, when we have to click on the color, it has to add to the favorites. Now I'm going to run my code for pick my favorite color. I'm going to add black. Here it is showing black, add to favorites, and when I hover on another color, it has to come between under the search bar. Yeah, it is showing like this. And now I'm going to give white. Yeah, it has been added. And the next task is for Hangman with API. One second. This is the HTML page for the Hangman with API. This is the CSS page, and this is the JavaScript page. And now we all have the post, get, and put functions for the JavaScript. And here this is the game that is based upon the API that we are calling. And here the data type is JSON format, that is the name value page. This has to be in the name value page. Here I'm calling the URL, and the data is separated by commas here. And this is used to call I mean, if all the chances are over, then it is used to show the answer. If failures is equal to 7, then the game is end. Wrong answer has to be displayed. I mean failures. And this is used to display how many guesses we have left. Now I'm going to run this. Start a new game. Yes, 6 guesses only left. E W 5 guesses. Y only 1 guess is left. And it is showing the word because I have not correctly guessed the word. And now using JavaScript, and this is my HTML page for the using JavaScript, Hangman with JavaScript. And this is the JavaScript page. I have already added some words. This dot words is called to these are the words that I already added into this, and these are the hints, and these are the hint images. And here I'm giving the prototype. The prototype is the first important function, and every